हेलो मेरे प्यारे बच्चों ऑफ बीकन हाई स्कूल. As we all are celebrating Ganesh Chaturthi is one of the most prominent festival of India. Ganesh Chaturthi is a Hindu festival which holds almost importance in the religion. Ganesh Chaturthi is the birthday of Lord Ganesha. Lord Ganesha is referred to remover of all obstacles. People believe that Lord Ganesha comes every year with prosperity and success. On this auspicious occasion, I am going to teach you how to make a pop-up greeting of Ganesha. Let's make it! Need the requirement 12 by 12 centimeter orange color paper, then A4 size, any color you can take, sketch pens we will need, scissors, pencil, scale and Fevicol. Take a square of 12 by 12 centimeter and fold it in center. The center should be very accurate. See the corners. Press it with your fingers. After that, you are going to make a face of a Ganesha. That is left to you how you are going to make. Or you can press also if you have a face of a Ganesha. In this way we are going to make, and then from here the ears of Ganesha, then this portion. It is very easy. You can copy the face of Ganesha also, or you can trace it by making these two lines will come here, and then this portion, then eyes. You are going to make eyes here. After that one, after completing this one, you are going to cut this with the help of scissors. So while cutting this with scissors, please be careful, or you can take help of your elders. In this way, slowly you are going to cut the linings which we have drawn with the pencil. In this way, cut it. Slowly we will go in this way. Here we will go on cutting this one. Now see this, we are not going to cut the face and remove it. We are going to keep it there only. Some part we are not going to cut from this one. So as till this ear completes, we are going to keep this part attached to the face only. Got it? Then after that we will come to the trunk. Cut this one slowly. Be careful while cutting the small parts. You have to go slowly here. This way. This is pop-up Ganesha here, and this part will be as it is. We are going to keep it here. Now we will come for the crown. Now we are going to cut this one, a small part from this one. As we are cutting for the paper design, we are going to cut this design here, and we are going to remove that one. In this way it will be removed. Then we will make a design here so that it will look more beautiful. In this way we can cut the small parts so that this crown of a Ganesha will look beautiful. This we can cut it off, and we can remove that small part from there. In this way a small design is cut. Now this namam we will cut it in half. In this way slowly, because this is small part. While cutting small part, be careful, it should not cut it off. So
be slow while cutting the small parts, because we are going to keep that one in this way and remove this one. This small part we are going to remove it. Now we'll cut the eyes. Now we can take a small cut here, and then we'll go for the eyes. This way, slowly you are going to move your scissor. Be careful. In this way it is cut. Remove this eyes part. Now for the trunk we will give small design here. A small cut here around. Then here also you can give a design, just like strips, small strips, so it will look more beautiful. A small strips like this. We can remove that one, small parts which we have cut for the trunk design, in this way. Okay, now see here, you can see the one part how we have cut for the just like a design, we have cut it like a comb. Right now here you can see only small strips we have cut it and removed it. Okay, now we are going to open this one. Now after opening, you can see that this face will be attached here. Right now we are going to take A4 size paper. Now we are going to fold it in center. In this way we will fold it as we are folding for the greeting card. We will fold it, we will press it with the finger, and then on this side we are going to take the face of Ganesha. And now see here, this downside part it will be cut and the upside part it will be cut. You can see this now, both the sides it will be cut. Right now in the center we are going to paste this one. Now see here, this part it will be overlap, some part it will be go on this one, so that this face will come up, a pop-up, and the ears which we have cut, you are going to fold it in the line, so that ears of the Ganesha will be, it will look like this. The same way the left side ear. Got it all of you? Now with the help of Fevicol, now it should be in center or downside. If you want to write something, you can keep the space here, or you can take it in the center. Now see here, this part is important while pasting. Here you are going to apply the Fevicol. This is very important while we are pasting this one. Now see here, this part will be overlapped, so your Fevicol will come here on the top, and this part will be overlapped, little bit overlapped on this one, so that your pop-up Ganpati will, the face will come up in this way. The same way downside, this part, this will be overlapped on one another, and then now see this, you can see this face of a Ganesha coming up. Now turn this one, apply Fevicol here, and in the center or little upside you can paste it. Here we will take a Fevicol to the corners in the center, all the 4-6 sides we will apply the Fevicol, and in a correct way we will paste it here. After doing this, now you are going to write a mantra of Ganesha on this greeting card, or if you want to write anything else, you can write here on the top, and inside of this you are going to write a message in this way. See this, now it is looking like this. Now here we will write that a mantra of Ganesha, Om. With the help of sketch pen or marker, you are going to write this one, Om Gan Ganapataye. Om Gan, the mantra of Ganesha, Om Gan Ganapataye. You can write down in English also if you want, or in Hindi or Marathi you can write down Ganapataye. And after that you can make a border design if you want. Te Namah. In this way you can decorate. Now if you want, you can make a border line with the help of sketch pens, colorful sketch pens you can take. It is left to you. With the help of scale you can draw, or directly also holding these two sketch pens, colorful sketch pens. We will do, instead of making a border, you can draw a border if you want, or you can decorate only the corner side also. It will look more nice. So take with the scale, you are going to only decorate the corner side. Hold these two sketch pens together and you can make lines here like this. Haldi and Kumkum, the color I had choiced here. The same way for this corner. With the scale, if you are making it is accurate in this way. Same way downside, you can overlap on this one, no problem. Then the same here. Now you can see the greeting card. In this way you are going to complete the greeting card. Inside you can paste one white color paper. On that one you can write a beautiful message, and you can give this greeting card to your our pop-up Ganesha is ready. You can give this greeting card to your dear ones, and you can say a mantra of Ganesha. Om Ekadantaya Vigmahe Vakratundaya Dhimahi Tanno Danti Prachodayat. Thank you.